like actually Papa's right. Two. Papa likes two breads.
That's right. Papa likes 2 breads.
And one for Jeremy.
Do I need to get another one for you, honey? Okay, I'll make another bread for you. Or do you want rice cake? Do you want rice cake or bread?
It's bread. I just bread.
Okay.
Just the bread.
There's the bread. That's right. I'll get you bread. Can you get the honey and the rice cake?
Rice cake.
Uh-huh.
And honey.
Good, Jeremy. Can you put your water on the table too?
Nutella.